It's lunchtime. Let's go check on some birds. So there they are up on the shed. And over here by the hutches. Hi, Ziggy. How are you? Yeah? Uh-huh. Woo. Everybody's excited about something. Let's see if we have any eggs. We put a nest box out here just randomly and they've actually started using it. And yep, ding, one egg. That's from one of our reds. Sweet. Probably that one. What? They're following me. I see. Yes, Leggy. I think they want a snack. They're just swarming my feet here. I can't. I think they want a snack. Let's go in the shed. Oh, now Specky's screaming at me too. Okay, watch out. I'm trying to open the door. I'm trying. Okay, just let yourself into the shed then. That's fine. Oh my God. It's like an Alfred Hitchcock movie. Everybody. They have found some spilled corn, so that's nice. All right. Funnel scooper. Good scratch. Some sunflower seeds. You like the sunflower seeds? Could you? Hi. Yeah, I'd like to get to the bag. Okay, you can eat that corn off the floor, I guess. But thank you, Leggy. Thank you, Red. But okay, I'm trying to walk. Sorry, trying to walk. Really starting to like this whole kernel corn more. Sorry, camera angle, terrible. Since it's getting colder. There we go, so we've got a mixture here, some scratch, some seeds, some corn. Okay, I'm trying to do the thing. Excuse me, Blackbeard. Excuse me. I understand. Specky, why are you mad? I'm bringing you food. I'm literally. Goodness. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That noise you just heard was the rooster Cluck Norris telling his hens that there's food, as if they weren't already aware. So it's 4, 8. Ooh, look at Burbie Sanders. She's one of our little ones. All the littles are coming up here. They usually have their own feeder. We're trying to integrate them in with the adults, and it seems to be working. Also, we had a visit by our favorite 90s band, apparently. Anyway, would you get out of the shed? The food's over there. The food's over there. Don't you sass me. Who kicked it over? Who just kicked over the food? Look at this. I just put the food out here and someone has kicked it over. As soon as I turn my back. Ooh. They're lucky, they're cute. All right. Yeet. All right. I can never figure out why I can't find that thing. Hope nobody's still in there. All right. Don't worry, littles. Once the grown-ups finish eating, you'll be able to get in there. You're bottom of the pecking order. You'll be all right. Check out our chicken run, still in progress, but making a lot of headway on this thing. All right, let's check for more eggs in the coop. Got one out in the nest box. Oh, dump everywhere. That's pleasant. Nothing over here, but there's an egg. And there's an egg. We've got fake wooden ones in here as well. That one's real. That's from Leggy. She lays the white eggs. Oh, in the corner. Almost missed it. 2 eggs over here. So these brown ones, the lighting's weird. These brown ones with the little white flecks on it, those are from Ziggy. And then the regular brown ones are from our Rhode Island Reds. No egg in there. No egg in there. And one of our Americanas has started laying. Hi, Blackbeard. Blackbeard being one of our Americanas, but not the one that's currently started to lay. Well, maybe she's gonna. Don't know. They're the ones that lay the bluish green eggs. Super pretty. What? Why are you mad at me? Look, this is the deal. I take your eggs and you get food. Yeah, walk away. That's what I thought. Walk away. That's pretty girl. She's the one that was laying. Y'all better eat that food you spilled. Thank you. Goodness. So we got 4 eggs today, unless anybody else decides to lay later. Yeah, I can't carry all those, so I'm gonna put the camera down. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.